Namaskar. Welcome to the weekly weather review from India Meteorological Department. I am Dr. Ananda Kumar Das with you today. Today we will discuss about what was the weather in the last week and what will be the likely scenario for next 2 weeks. So now it is the situation when monsoon covered whole country, but if we see the situation from the beginning of the season, it reached Andaman on 21st May. Then the onset of monsoon took over Kerala on 3rd June. Then steadily it progressed the first half of the June, but then it advanced very sluggishly over central part and Indo-Gangetic plains. Then there was a prolonged lull period. Hiatus was there over northwestern plain from 20th June to 11th July. But finally, on 30th July, it covered whole country. Now, if we see the weather the last week, we can see that gradually the southward shifting of the monsoon trough took place from north to south shifting took place due to the formation of two monsoon lows over west central Bay of Bengal, 11th and 12th July. Then another one over South Gujarat and adjoining Northeast Arabian Sea 12 to 14th July. So we can see here this is 11th and 12th July one low and another 12 to 14th July another low. So these two actually bring the monsoon trough towards south, and a cyclonic circulation was also there over Jharkhand in the mid tropospheric levels. Then east west shear zone in the middle troposphere level across central India was there. So this actually helped the revival of the monsoon and active monsoon situation over the country. Then there was also feeble western disturbance as a scissor over North Pakistan on 10th and 11th July. Then there was also offshore trough Karnataka off the coast of the Karnataka and Kerala. So these all features actually created weather during the week. Now, due to that, what was the situation if we see from the satellite picture and animation, we can see that during the beginning of the week, the clouding was over coastal area of west coast, and then that clouding started developing over eastern India, and then gradually it moved, and then it is over central and northwest India latter part we can see, and that helped the progress of the monsoon. And this actually the low pressure, this maximum clouding due to these two low pressure we can see from the satellite animation. Then due to that, what was the rainfall scenario? So here at the top right we can see the cumulative rainfall, what happened during the whole week. So we can see lot of rainfall over central and peninsular India and East India, and also we can see that over northwest India. So these red and green patches we can see, and this is the day-to-day rainfall scenario we can see in the animation at the left. So what happened due to that during Konkan Goa region, very heavy to very heavy and sometimes extremely heavy rainfall took place, and that for 2 days. And Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh, it is one day. And heavy to very heavy actually at isolated places happened over Telangana, coastal Karnataka for 5 days. Assam, Meghalaya, Bihar, and Kerala for 3 days. Sabhimana, West Bengal, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Saurashtra and Kutch, Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra. So this whole region, Marathwada, Vidarbha, central region, Chhattisgarh, South Interior Karnataka for 2 days. Then some places also isolated places heavy rainfall took place, and we can see that that is for coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry for 5 days, and then Nagaland, then northeast region, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and also Gujarat region due to that low pressure for 4 days. Then South Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. So we can see that this is very active situation of the monsoon, and this that's why the heavy rainfall at isolated places, at least for minimum of 2 days, took place nearly all over the country. And this is the scenario of temperature due to this active situation and rainfall, that temperature was not so much high, but during initial time of the week, as when the monsoon has not progressed towards northwest India, during that time we can see that one day this was a heat wave condition over West Rajasthan. We can see that 11th July, highest temperature was 44.8 degrees centigrade over Bikaner, and that and this is the situation here. We can see the throughout the week what was the maximum temperature and minimum to the right top we can see. So and minimum temperature was not so much prominent during this whole week. And day-to-day rainfall, if we see, this is the whole monsoon day-to-day rainfall situation, and it is progressing. And we can see that now this is the after a long lull period, first time now we can see this daily rainfall is crossing the climate average, climate normal. So only this 15th today actually rainfall was not so much, but last previous to that last 3 days it was crossing the normal. And here we can see also core area, here monsoon core zone, this is defined, and over this core zone what happened, we can see that this is the after this small bar, we can see that these large towering bars. So and here also we can see these red lines crossing the threshold of deficient rainfall, and then now it is gradually uh, going up, and still it is not so much active, but we hope that it will be more active. And this is the spatial coverage subdivision wise. We can see here it is for the week, and this is from left side it is for the week, and right side we can see for the whole season. So what was the situation? So for we can see season as of this 1 to 8th July, what was the scenario, that all over the country it is negative. So east and northeast -1, northwest -16, central 7 -7. Only southern peninsula is +2, but country as a whole was -5%. This week, although rainfall happened, but country as a whole still it is -5%. But here east and northeast it is -9, and northwest little improved -15, central also little improved, southern peninsula it is now +11%. And if we see this number of category wise, if we see large excess, it was 2 in the last week, now it is 8, excess is 6, normal 5 to 7, deficient still it is deficient 12, but large deficient reduced from 17 to 3. So its situation is improving, and we can see that uh, the large axis that above normal situation is 64 to 68%, and this one 36 to reduced to 32, so below normal situation. So now today what is the synoptic situation? Now monsoon trough is still south of its normal position, and we can see that it is from Gujarat to across the peninsula, central India, it is up to Bay of Bengal, east central Bay of Bengal, and the east-west shear zone is still there in the mid troposphere over central India. One cyclonic circulation is seen over Vidarbha, and offshore trough is there along Kerala and Karnataka coast over Arabian Sea. So now we will be discussing about the forecast. So this is the forecast situation from the global model for 7 days, 15 to 22nd July. And this is left side, we can see mean sea level pressure chart. Here we can see that the trough is from south gradually shifting towards north, and uh, but in the 20th, after 20th, 21st, we can see one uh, low pressure area is again uh, created over this Odisha coast. And due to that, we can see that the rainfall is happening over west coast nearly throughout the week. But northwest India, in the beginning, it is 15 and 16, little bit less, but it again enhanced after that up to 19th. And then we can see that from 20th, due to the formation of that low, then the rainfall is increasing over this area. And we can see that this Konkan Goa region, actually it is having a lot of rain, and this west coast. And moreover, the central India will be getting rain, and northwest India, although in the beginning not, but at the end of the week it is getting a lot of rain. We can see from this animation this shaded green and or blue or red region is appearing. Here we can see red also appearing over Konkan Goa, and northwest India also some part we can see it. So what will be the warning due to the weather here? Certainly now it will be warning due to heavy rain or extremely heavy rain, very heavy rain. So we can see that this all black clouds are actually represented that heavy rainfall warning. So we can see here that now this Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand area, we are still having uh, heavy rain warning. And this west coast, throughout the week we can see that heavy rainfall warning is there throughout the west coast. And uh, now we can see that Konkan and Goa region, it is red warning. So this and central and peninsular India, we can see this heavy rainfall can happen over this area. And then northwest India, again we can see that from 17th, 18th, 19th, we can see this in the heavy rainfall. So activity, although 15, 16 is a little bit less over northwest India, again it will start. So very heavy rainfall warning is appearing. And from 17th, that Sikkim, Savivan and West Bengal also is having heavy rainfall, and northeastern state is also heavy rainfall warning. We can see 5 days. So this is the heavy rainfall warning situation. Now we'll be discussing about the next 2 weeks overall scenario. What will be the rainfall scenario? So overall, over northern plains and northwest India, except some parts of Punjab and Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir Ladakh region, that and along foothills region and Sikkim, the whole and also peninsular region, we can see that blue shaded region. This blue shading is telling that it is above normal rainfall activity will be happening over this region. But here we can see over Kerala and adjoining Tamil Nadu region, we can see below normal rainfall activity and also below normal activity over northeastern state. So this blue shading is telling that the central India is having below normal rainfall activity, and it is also extending over adjoining eastern India, over Jharkhand and some parts of Bihar, Chhattisgarh, and also it is extending over Odisha. Then this is the rainfall scenario for the first week. If we, and this is the second week, this is actual rainfall. The left panels are actual rainfall. This is the anomaly. And if we see the anomaly, any of this monsoon time, it will be raining, although it will not be uh, totally deficient. So it is raining both the weeks. And then in week 2, we can see that this red patches now shifted over this peninsula, extreme peninsular India, and this northwest India, and again the central India is blue patch. So overall normal to abnormal airflow activity over west coast, northwest India, except this Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh region. Then central and adjoining East India and below normal activity likely over this Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, and suburban and West Bengal and northeastern state and adjoining Bihar and some parts of West Bengal. And then we can see the southeast peninsular India is also having below normal activity. And due to that, what will be the temperature situation? Certainly temperature situation will be very good, that no heat wave condition. So it will be above normal only 2 to 4 degree over northwest. This we can see this temperature situation, actual maximum temperature situation forecasted, and this is the anomaly forecast anomaly. This we can see that northwest India and North Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, this except this Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh region, this part, this whole northwest India, then central India, Gangetic Plains, and adjoining East India, all are red and they are 2 to 4 degree centigrade above normal. But next week, the situation is far more better. No, again, no heat wave condition, below normal, most part of the country below normal, -2 to -4, but northeast, but then below here in the first week below normal was there only over peninsular region, but now it is all over the country. Only second week the northeast region and some parts of eastern India, it is above normal 2 to 4 degrees centigrade. So this is the whole scenario for the next 2 weeks. And for more information, you can visit or please follow our different social media sites and our website. You can follow Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Also, we have blog site and we have different apps. Through those apps, also you can access our weather information specifically for you. There are Monsoon app, then the Mini, then Meghdoot app. So these apps are there. They are available in Android as well as different OS. So please visit all those sites and use all those apps. Well, again, somebody will be there in the next week with the weekly video. Thank you.